Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, Bluetooth, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.